Hello everybody, it is Basil, and today I'm going to be cooking out of my Feast of Fiction Kitchen cookbook. We're going to be making secret spaghetti sauce a la Screerch from Saved by the Bell. For that I'm going to need a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a tablespoon of ketchup, 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of chili powder, salt, pepper, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and about a tablespoon of basil. Also going to need a tablespoon and a half of chocolate chips. Yes, you heard correctly. So this should be really interesting. Let's go. Alright, let's start off our sauce by sauteing the onions. Tossing in the garlic. And sprinkling in all of the seasonings. And once the onions have cooked up some, we're going to be adding in the chocolate chips. And once that's melted, I can put in the ketchup. Last but not least, put in the can of tomato sauce. And get that thoroughly mixed together. I've turned my heat down to low already, and this is going to simmer for the next 20 minutes or so. And when it's all done simmering, I'm going to take it off the heat. We'll boil some spaghetti and try it on out. Alright, I made some normal spaghetti. Take a little taste of this. This all came from the Feast of Fiction Kitchen cookbook. Well, this is a pretty fun little switch up to spaghetti sauce. There is a taste to it. I can't really put my finger on if it's not bad. It's also not the best sauce I've ever made. It's interesting. Now, you can't really just taste it and go, oh yeah, chocolate's in that. You can tell. But there's just this little flavor, the richness of it maybe just going on. So you know what? Get the cookbook or see it really cheap. Try the recipe on out or just copy mine. It worked out pretty awesome. You know what to do though. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it, and I will see you in our next one.